Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make garlic ranch sauce. This incredibly easy recipe is perfect for anyone looking to add a burst of flavor to their meals without much effort. You'll be surprised at how quickly you can whip up this delicious sauce, taking only about 5 minutes from start to finish. Let's gather our simple ingredients and get started on this fantastic culinary journey together. To begin, you will need 1 cup of creamy mayonnaise and 1/2 cup of tangy buttermilk, which form the perfect base. For that signature garlic kick, mince 2 fresh cloves of garlic. Next, grab 1 tablespoon each of fresh chopped chives and parsley to brighten the flavors. Finally, season your sauce with 1/4 teaspoon of salt and 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper to taste. Now for the fun part, mixing. In a medium-sized bowl, whisk together your mayonnaise and buttermilk until smooth. Then, gently fold in the minced garlic, fresh chives, and parsley, ensuring they are evenly distributed throughout the mixture. Slowly add the salt and pepper, tasting as you go to achieve your desired seasoning. Continue stirring until everything is perfectly combined and creamy. Your homemade garlic ranch sauce is now ready to enjoy. It's fantastic as a dip for vegetables, a dressing for salads, or a spread for sandwiches. For any leftovers, simply transfer the sauce to an airtight container and refrigerate it. It will stay fresh and delicious for up to 5 days, allowing you to savor its wonderful flavor throughout the week. Enjoy every bite.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.